Welcome to Zubi Valves, valve manufacturer since 1979. Our headquarters are located in Irún, Basque Country, an area noted for its industry in northern Spain. From engineering and design to after-sales services, you can count on a committed team of a professional and highly specialized workforce with knowledge of flow control requirements across all sectors. Our manufacturing plant has an area of over 5,000 square meters, enhancing the quality and value of our products and services. In-house valve assembly, advanced machining, and an all-inclusive process allows us complete control of manufacturing. Raw material warehouse, machining, coating, testing, and quality assurance are all necessary to reach our goal, delivering successful flow control solutions. Zubi Valves performs on-off and flow control applications. Whatever the need, we deliver fit-for-purpose solutions. Standardized Zubi valves for next-day assembly and delivery requirements. Customized Zubi valves for made-to-order requirements. Specialized Zubi valves when engineering expertise is needed. And all this comes down to customer satisfaction. Our check, diaphragm, knife gate, and penstock type valves are fully compliant with all relevant standards. Every single Zubi valves is 100% tested to guarantee reliability, longest life, and lowest maintenance, and they are used in a wide range of applications, sectors, and industries. Together, we are greater than the sum of our parts.